Are you looking for the best laptop stand for Zoom calls? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop stand for Zoom calls on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nulaxy Laptop Stand. Nulaxy laptop stand is the perfect solution for your laptop if you're using a 10 to 16-inch laptop. Nulaxy laptop stand is perfect for your next gaming or Zoom calls. The Nulaxy laptop stand is an amazing device that allows you to keep your laptop cool and safe. It offers excellent ventilation and airflow, preventing the computer from overheating. Plus, the rubber pads and aluminum alloy help to take the heat of too much heat. This great product comes with an ergonomic laptop riser for desk that will help elevate the laptop screen to 7. Nulaxy is a stand that is both sturdy and protective. It has a large aluminum alloy design that is made for study and can support laptop weight up to 22 lbs. 10 kilograms. It also has pads on the bottom to protect it from any unwanted harm and is able to stand on its own. Number 2. Lap Gear Home Office Lap Desk. Lap Gear is a new product that helps you work in the comfort of your Zoom meetings. With its innovative dual bolster cushion, you can work on your work surface in peace without any heat. The Lap Gear desk is perfect for those who are always behind on their Zoom calls. With our efficient ventilation system, you'll be able to enjoy your Zoom talks all day long. The Lap Gear Home Office Lap Desk is a work surface that fits most 15.6 laptops. It is also 5x0.75 fits most 15.6 laptops. This desk is also ideal for working from home, at home, or in the office. The Lap Gear is the perfect way to make work in your home office feels easy. With the built-in mousepad and phone slot, you can easily create a professional working environment. Lap Gear is one of the best Office Depot laptop stand. With the Lap Gear, you can now have a working laptop stand and a phone in front of you at the same time. The Lap Gear is the perfect way to connect online video calls. Number 3. 12 South Curve for Laptop. The 12 South Curve for Laptop stand is perfect for online Zoom calls. It provides the ability to interact with an external keyboard and mouse. 12 South Curve is well designed and made to protect your laptop. It comes with bent arms and protection that prevents scratches. The 12 South Curve design creates a level of pressure that can be helpful for your laptop stand. It drops the laptop 6 inches, 15 centimeters, from your desk to your neck and shoulders for a more comfortable environment. The 12 South is an ideal desktop setup or dual screen functionality. It offers a comfortable desktop setup with a 70% base exposed temperature. Number 4. Pyle Portable Laptop Platform. Pyle is one of the best laptop stand for Zoom teaching and gaming. The Pyle laptop stand is perfect for home, office, and school use. It is made with a sturdy, ergonomic design for folks who want to use their laptops or desk standing up. Plus, it comes with essentials such as computers, laptops, DJ equipment, and more. The Pyle laptop stand is perfect for viewing your laptop in shorter monitor eye-level situations. Its 4 line-up bars and 2 support make it an easy and comfortable stand for use. The adjustable notebook stand prevents accidental sliding or falls while in use. It can accommodate a range of devices, including a laptop, a computer, a printer, and a variety of other items. The adjustability allows you to fit any laptop size is within a comfortable range. Number 5. ObVus Solutions Laptop Stand. ObVus Solutions Laptop Tower Stand is one of the best laptop stand for video conferencing and Zoom calls. This laptop stand from Zoom calls is a perfect size and shape to conveniently fit in your backpack. With the laptop stand for smartphone, you can have a more effective workspace with your device at hand. The Solutions Laptop Tower Stand sturdy design enables you to use it on any surface, including tables and desks. This is the best posture and breathing coach on the market. It is a powerful 5x patented technology system that is like no other. This device will help you stay active, learn deep breathing and fix your posture. It also tracks all of your progress and health data. This stand is a foldable laptop stand that positions your laptop at eye level, so you can improve your posture and save yourself from back and neck pain. The design of the stand allows for versatility in any setting, as it can be folded up and carried in its own carrying case for easy storage. Number 6. Soundance Laptop Stand. The Soundance laptop is a sleek design and adjustable height. This stand can be used for Zoom calls and online video meetings. The Soundance laptop stand is a unique laptop stand that fits all 10 to 15-inch laptops, such as notebooks, PC computers, and ultrabooks. Soundance stand is a slim stand that elevated laptop stand your laptop by 6 inch to a highly convenient eye level. The Soundance laptop compute stand also avoids you from hunching over your laptop, which reduces neck and shoulder pain. The edge of the stand is so smooth that it will secure you from being damaged when you move around. It is a laptop stand that is made to keep your notebook computer from overheating. The laptop stand is a compact, easy to fold and store laptop stand that lets you work or relax. The Soundance laptop stand can be quickly dismantled into 3 parts and then reassembled quickly.